All right, guys, coming back at you with another super clean video. On this video, we will be giving away these two products. We will announce the winner, guys. We have 11 entries into our super clean giveaway contest. These are the two products you will receive, along with the super clean sticker, as well as the super clean product sheet. It will let you know whether it's acidic, neutral, or alkaline. So it'll basically show you how to mix the ratios for the products, as well as it'll let you know what products that they have and they carry right here on this side right here. And you'll get another paper to let you know the places where these products are also sold, other than Walmart, Amazon, things like that. Amazon links will be listed down below. But yeah, guys, we have 11 entries into the contest. Everyone's name is on the wheel, and we have Island RC Duke, we have Mr. Langston Live, we have Our Budget RC Bashers, we have RC Hot Boy, Bo Pitbull, Iron Can 3000, A&R Pressure Washing, Reddit Place, Spinning and Winning Slots with Blaine, Jesus Chaza, we have PJ's Electric RC Adventure. All right, guys, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. I was going to do a video where we would spin the wheel, we'd take each person off the wheel, and then move on, but we're just going to do it all at once. We're going to spin the wheel, and whoever it lands on will be the winner, because I couldn't find the right, I guess the right app to make it work right. Okay, let's go around and talk about everyone who's entered in the contest really quick. Okay, we have Island RC Duke. He's into RC cars and Nitro RC, guys. If you're into Nitro RCs and regular RC cars and models, go over and check out Island RC Duke. Mr. Langston Live, he does live gaming videos, guys. If I'm not mistaken, he plays a lot of Blackout, and I'm not sure the other game. Heavy shooting, guys. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of shooting going on. Our Budget RC Bashers, father and son duo. They do a lot of customizations. They doing a drag, hobby grade, toy grade to hobby grade conversion right now. So you're in the RCs, go check those guys out. RC Hot Boy, he is like the person that can find anything for cheap, guys. This guy will find anything. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, he always finds cheaply priced RCs. I mean, very good RCs, but cheaply priced. Bo Pitbull, he does a lot of live streaming, a lot of gaming. I'm sweating really bad. I'm out here in the sun, guys. Let's go ahead and get through this. Bo Pitbull, he does a lot of gaming and things like that. He does do some raging over there as well. But guys, it's funny. You know, I enjoy it, you know. I just don't like the fact that some people come over there and just mess with him for no reason. I mean, he doesn't just rage for any reason. You know, campers and modded controls, he don't like that. But yeah, let's move on. Iron Can 3000, he does a lot of your action figures, your G.I. Joe classifieds, and he basically calls out Hasbro a lot. So go check him out as well. We have A&R Pressure Washing. He does auto detailing as well as pressure washing. He does a lot, so you can catch some tips and tricks over there from him as well. Spinning and Winning Slots with Blaine. He wins a lot of money spinning and winning slots, guys. So definitely check him out. If you're into slot machines and basically gambling, go check him out as well. Reddit Place RC. Paul over there at Reddit Place RC, he has a nice channel. He has a carpet track made from AstroTurf in his backyard. Has a nice little wall that you can go up and go around. Very, very nice. I like that a lot. Jesus Chaza, he does a lot of Mini 3 as well as Osmo Pocket videos, guys. He just went up to Niagara Falls not long ago. Definitely a video you might want to check out. PJ's Electric RC Adventure. He does a lot of RC cars. Him and his son do a lot of father and son battling. He also has some monster trucks. He has the Grave Digger, and he has a Red Cat ground pounder that he turned into El Toro Loco to battle against his son and the Grave Digger, as well as he does family crawling. His son, his son and his wife, major competitions with the crawling over there. Definitely go check those guys out as well. But yeah, guys, I've covered everybody. Island RC Duke. Yeah, I think I said Island RC Duke in the beginning. He does like Nitro and models. I said that at the beginning. But let's go ahead. Let's spin the wheel and let's see who wins these super clean products, guys. It's a little hot out here in the sun. I do have to hit the stop button. Stop. All right. It's hot out here in the sun, guys. All right. Slowing down. It's creeping. It's creeping. Boom. That's your winner right there, guys. That is your winner. Iron Can 3000 is our winner. So Iron Can 3000, you can definitely use these products. Only thing I recommend, Iron Can 3000, do not use these on your classified figures unless you dilute it a lot, guys. I do a lot of detailing with them, but you can use them everywhere. I use them around the house. I use them for my glass shower door and things like that, as well as my floors in my house, carpet, anything, guys. Anything that has a stain, you can use this on. But yeah, Iron Can 3000, I will hit you up via Instagram. I hit you up on Instagram. You only have to hit me in the email. I hit you up on Instagram. But yeah, Iron Can 3000, be looking out for that message. And everybody, stay tuned. We will have some more giveaways coming soon. I am going to the store a little later on, and I will purchase some products on my dime that I want you guys to test out. Some things that I use. I'll probably go over to the Detail and Supply Superstore that I go to sometime and pick up some things and just give them away, guys, because I think it's time for us to give back to you. So I appreciate you tuning in, and like I said, I'm signing off with another SuperClean giveaway, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.